Hi, I'm Allan Whiting from Outback Travel Australia. Today we're testing a shovel, but it's a special shovel. Just digging a little shallow fire pit here, pretending we're stranded in the scrub. It's a good shovel, sharp, heavy, and the end is completely adjustable. So when I say more than a shovel, it's an axe as well. And sharp, but it's got some other secrets as well. Okay. A harpoon with a rope cutter and a barb on it. And a bottle opener. There's a razor sharp knife with a serrated synthetic rope cutter. And an emergency whistle. And here is a fire starter. We'll show you how this works. It takes a bit of work, but especially if you've got some encouraging juice like lighter fluid, you'll get a campfire going. Branches that are too thick for the axe, the kit comes with a wire saw. And there's a wire cutter. And the threaded end lets the handle work as a camera monopod. Also in the kit is a handy piece of synthetic rope, and everything fits into this tiny bag. We think the FA3 Assassin shovel is a very handy piece of emergency kit for people who are camping light and can't carry all these individual tools. Everything comes in the one handy package. It's not cheap, but it's top quality.